Alright, so this is a video about planning and preparing to write your first text response essay. So in class we've watched the film Paper Planes for the second time. We've looked at the idea of independence and we've looked for evidence of when these characters have shown independence, whether in action or in their thinking. Then as a class, we've taken these ideas that we had here on this sheet, and in groups we have brainstormed and created a combined list with all the ideas of all the students in the class, so that we have a wealth of evidence and examples from the film to draw upon when writing our essay and planning our essay. The next thing is to then select which characters we're going to talk about. For instance, you might like to have a paragraph about Dylan. So you would write Dylan's name here. You might have a paragraph about Kimmy, a body paragraph about Kimmy. I apologise about the writing. And you might have a body paragraph about Kevin. The lines here are designed for you to find or select at least 3 pieces of evidence or examples from the film for each of these characters that demonstrate their independence. So you're looking for the best evidence available from our research and our viewing of the film for the second time. After you have created your fishbone graphic organizer and you've got your 3 pieces of evidence or your examples for each of your characters for your 3 body paragraphs, it's time to write. First thing we need to do is to write our 3 main ideas here. Now we've already discussed the topic. It's very important that we do follow this plan here, and this will be demonstrated further in the next YouTube clip that you can watch. But your introduction must include these features: the title of the film, the director, a brief summary of the film, your contention, so your point of view, but you are not allowed to use the word I, and what 3 arguments you're going to use to justify your contention. So we start with our introduction, and you're really trying to hook in your reader. Then you will be writing your 3 body paragraphs using the teal approach. Well, we're trying to get you to use at least topic, sentence, evidence and explanation. We want at least those 3. If you can do a linking sentence, all the better. Please don't ever start your body paragraph with "I am going to tell you," or "in this paragraph I am going to explain." Just actually do it. So you'll have 3 of these body paragraphs, and then you're going to end with a conclusion. And here are the features of your conclusion listed here. The idea is to have a strong concluding statement that leaves a lasting memory on your reader. And finally, prior to submitting your work, you really need to check that you have done everything that's required of you when writing a text response essay, and you have to do a bit of a checklist also. Capital letters, first and last names, proper use of full stops, commas and exclamation marks, correct use of tense, and spelling is correct. You really need to take that extra bit of time to read over everything. So there's the planning and preparation and writing of our text response essay.